To perform the mass airflow sensor replacement on this model, first, the housing and air cleaner cover must be removed from the vehicle. The mass airflow sensor is very sensitive and prone to contamination. Work in a clean environment. Carefully handle the new sensor by the connector. Do not touch any of the electronic components exposed on the side of the sensor. Before proceeding with the removal, ensure the ignition switch is in the off position. This will prevent possible damage to the onboard computer or the new sensor during component replacement. Before replacing the sensor, inspect the air ducts between the mass airflow sensor and engine for damage or cracks, the engine for any vacuum leaks, including the dipstick and oil filler cap seals. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector and, on some applications, extra accessories may need to be moved aside to access the mass airflow sensor. Loosen the clamp to separate the air duct from the throttle body and disconnect the breather tube. Depending on the application, unscrew or unclamp the air cleaner cover and remove the assembly. Also, ensure the air filter and air box are clean. On the workbench, first remove the air duct from the sensor. Then, proceed with the removal of the two screws holding the sensor and the air cleaner cover. Gently pull the mass airflow sensor off from the air cleaner cover. Please note that an O-ring or gasket is mounted between the sensor and the air cleaner cover. Inspect and replace if necessary. Inspect the mass airflow sensor inlet honeycomb screen for damage. If damaged, the sensor complete assembly must be replaced. A special tool is included with the new sensor. Insert the tool into the housing groove to unlock the sensor from the housing. Push into the opening to release the locking tab. It may be necessary to use a small flat pocket screwdriver to free the sensor from the housing. Pull out the old sensor from the housing and discard. Before installing the new sensor, ensure the mass airflow housing is clean. Holding the sensor by the connector, gently insert the new sensor into the housing. Push the sensor in until seated. You will hear a click once locked in place. Install both screws securing the mass airflow sensor to the air cleaner cover. Reinstall the air duct to the mass airflow sensor and secure the clamp. Install the air cleaner and sensor to the air cleaner assembly on the vehicle. Reconnect the air cleaner cover and secure the clamp. Reconnect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector. Route the harness to properly prevent any contact with moving parts which can cause damage to the wiring. Secure the air duct clamp to the throttle body side and reconnect the breather hose. This completes the mass airflow sensor installation procedure. Hope this information will help you perform the replacement yourself. For more information about mass airflow sensors or any other engine management components, contact Spectra Premium Tech Support.